Alright, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment. Mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students really. It's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, you know, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from 50 bucks to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at 50 bucks and we'll be scaling back to, you know, 1,000 a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, okay, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education, only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And you know, most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball, so you know, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right, good morning, traders. It's May 5th, Wednesday. So I didn't think I was going to trade today, but I actually have 30 minutes. So we're going to see if anything will show up here in the next 30 minutes. And if it does, we'll take the trade and we'll get out. I won't be able to hold it because I won't be able to manage the trade later. But we'll see what we get here for 30 minutes. And we're scaled up to $150 range, back in that range. So hopefully we can get some winners right out of the gate like we did last time. So we got some super premium. There's the opening bill. We got some super premiums on the list as well. So yeah, we'll see what happens. It could be a good morning if we get some trades that pop up here in the next 30 minutes. All right, so we got QCOM switching here. So we got 136.11, 135.59, so about 50 cents. We're looking at 150 risk reward right now. So we're going to go with 300 shares. And then we also have NUG thinking about switching in 10 seconds. We'll see if NUG switches. And then QCOM. So we are 5 seconds away. And neither of them are switching. So we'll see. Nope, not yet. Okay, so we'll wait. All right, so we're in NUG short, and we're in APPS long because of the scalping algo, which I can show you later. But right now we're in APPS long, and I manage that one first. Okay, I'm going to show you APPS. So here in APPS with the scalping algo, this is the algo setup for it. We have a red switching to a green inside the candle, which indicates a long trade looking for a 50% or a whole retracement of this. And yeah, we'll see if we get it. I just went light on the share size because I didn't spend time to calculate what that exactly would be. And it looks like our risk here. I'll put the numbers on the board. So we're looking at about $1. So I went with 50 shares. So pretty light, light risk. Only $50 we're risking right now. So yeah, we'll see if we get a nice little profit out of this. We'll put these numbers on. Full retracement. Oh, actually no. Full retracement of the body of the candle, not the tail. There we go. And if it ends up being a half retracement, we're looking at somewhere around here. I'll draw this to make it exact. Just the body of the candle we're looking at. So cool, right there. Almost got that target right there. We'll see if we get it. All right, so I'm going to take this away. You can see the markup still over here, and then QCOM we're getting ready to speed bump. It looks like maybe. All right, so we're pretty close over here on APPS. Yeah, we definitely need a lot more shares. We're gonna make $10. All right, I'm gonna flatten that. All right, so we're out of APPS with a $9 loss. Oh, because of the spread. Look at that spread. All right, and then speed bumped over here on QCOM. So come over here and manage QCOM. Man, APPS, I took a $10 loss on you on a winning trade. I took a loss. All right. Let's see here. All right, traders, you don't pay attention to the spread. You could have a winning trade and still take a loss. Unbelievable. All right, let's put some numbers on the chart over here. So I could have stayed and been more patient with APPS and waited for a full retracement, but and I probably should not have speed bumped QCOM. I only say this because I only have like 10 minutes left of trading, and then I got to bounce out of here. So hopefully QCOM will boost quickly, and APPS I didn't want to wait for consolidation and then reach this because these two big candles could show some consolidation here for a little while, and I didn't want to wait for that to happen. So I was happy to take my first target, but I didn't pay attention to the spread. So QCOM over here, we'll see what we get. Even if we don't get full target here, I got to leave in about 15 minutes. So I'm going to start getting ready now. We'll take what we get. Hopefully it doesn't consolidate in here, so we have to sell out for a loss when we could potentially have a winning trade. And there's APPS, full retracement, as the algo indicated, half to full. And we got full on that one. So, yeah. So over here we got that swing trade that we're in. ERX is just rocking. I think 28 is our target, roughly 28 something. Yeah, right here, 28.36. So we're at 26.45, not too far away. So this could hit this target this week, hopefully, and we can be out. That'd be awesome. Okay, so it looks like we stopped at a QCOM. So we're going to go ahead and just hang out here for a second. We may trade QCOM again. Should be leaving already, but we may trade it again. But I'm not going to trade right now because we could be in consolidation here. So you can see this level. I'm going to wait a little bit. And that's how it goes. Scaled up. Took a loss for today in the scale up. Bigger, a little bigger than I wanted to. 300 was what we were looking for, and we're in the 400 range. Should have used my trade calculator to calculate my share size, but I didn't. Just kind of wung it, and yeah, that's what happens. Okay, we're good to go here. So now I'm going to go ahead and sell. All right, so now we're short QCOM again right here. Yeah, what we'll have to see is will QCOM want to come down here and fill this gap from yesterday. You can see where it closed. So if it wants to come fill the gap, bust through it a little bit, that could be nice. Okay, what you're seeing with QCOM right now is the typical, you break support and then you come back to retest it and then roll over. Or you got that fake out and then it rallies. So, but a lot of times it breaks support, comes back to retest and then rolls over. So we'll see. All right, traders. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to shut it down there. I am going to let this trade play out a little bit. I got my stop in. I'll manage it from my phone, and then we'll see what happens. I'm going to put an OCO order in for this target down here, which I believe it will be going to. So let's go ahead and change that single. I'll be able to manage it for the next couple hours by the phone, and then I'll just have to close out wherever I'm at, and then I'll try to show you what that closeout was on the next video. So OCO. Going to cancel this order. I am short, so I'm buying it back. All right, so we got our target in, and we're all set. So we'll let this play out, see what happens. Maybe we recover part of our loss today or most of it. That would be sweet. And at least we got our swing trade just kicking it. Look at that thing. Go, 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 go. All right, everybody. Have an awesome day.